Welcome back to another video. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button, watch a few videos, share a few videos. Listen, I said I was going to do better with uploading videos to this channel, but listen, Hurricane Melissa mashed me up, and I'm not even in Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa has disturbed my peace. So I can only imagine what it has done to the people who are actually in Jamaica going through this firsthand. Melissa has disturbed my peace. My day-to-day life has not been the same. And I sometimes feel selfish saying that because I have food, I have shelter. I can pick the phone up and I can call just about anyone. But honestly, I am not okay because I want to be able to pick the phone up and call my parents when I want to, and I cannot because they're in Jamaica. There is no light, there's no water. I cannot pick the phone up and call them as I have a mind because there's no internet. But there are people who are without shelter. There are people who are without food. And I cannot imagine what those people are actually going through. I just have to give God thanks that I know that my family is okay. For the most part, they're okay. But I am not okay. I am not okay. And my heart aches also for the people who are not okay. So all the way around the board, I am not okay. I'm not okay. I also saw a video sometime last week with Buju saying that he sent some items to Jamaica and items were stolen. Saw a lot of people bash him. Saw a lot of people saying that he was lying. Now, whether or not he was lying about it, I have no idea. Not my fight. I don't care. But people, let's be fair. This has been going on for a long time. Hurricane or no hurricane. People at the airport has been stealing stuff. People at customs has been stealing stuff. This has been going on for a while. And when his video came out, I saw a video on YouTube with a business owner saying that it has been going on and Buju needs to be quiet and realize that this is just the way things work. As if to say it is okay. It is not okay. Especially at a time like this, when people actually need these things. It is not okay. Because he's saying he runs a business, and if he ships a dozen items and he goes to collect it, and he gets 8 out of the dozen items that he ships, he thanks God. He's thanking God that he got at least 8. As if that's okay. It is not okay. Guys, we have to stop. Whether or not this happened to this man, I agree. If it didn't happen, then don't say it. Let the people who are actually going through this kind of thing talk about it. So if it didn't happen to you, then don't come out and fabricate stories. But we have to be true to ourselves. This has been going on for a long time. It happens. It is happening. Has been happening. Don't know if it will ever stop happening. But it is not right. And we can't sit and make excuses because of the person who is shedding light on the situation. Not because we don't like the person, we're going to sit and make it look like they shouldn't say anything about it. We have to pray for each other at this time, because now from what I am seeing, which I kind of knew this would happen, all the diseases and the deaths from diseases, it is not good. Not good. Pray. Pray, guys. Pray for each other, because we don't know when this will knock at our doorstep. We don't know when our family or friends or loved ones will be affected. We don't want these sicknesses and diseases to spread, because believe it or not, it will spread to areas where the hurricane did not even affect. It takes nothing for a sickness, for a disease, for it takes nothing for it to spread if it is not contained properly. Pray. Pray. None of this is good. None of this is good. But nothing beats prayer. Pray. And again, we cannot sit and wait on politicians to help with this cleanup. If you own a business and you can help in any way, help. If you're sitting down in these communities and you are able-bodied and you can help to clean up, help. It takes a village. Help. I will see you guys in the next one.